Still not convinced? Let's look at a few more comparative differences. This is another imported lift that was recently put on the market. It seems to try and mimic the Backyard Buddy in some ways, but again, we see many shortcuts in design and workmanship. This design incorporates the same style of internal plastic slider blocks as the other lift, and also suffers from the same telltale wobble. The locking pin, which can't actually be seen, snaps into the holes in this relatively thin steel plate hanging inside the form channel, which seems to be an attempt to mimic the Backyard Buddy slotted hole design. But this foreign-made weld at the top of the leg is the only thing holding up the plate. Coincidentally, it's the only thing holding up the entire weight of your vehicle as well. Also notice how that steel plate flaps loosely and is unsecured at the bottom. Certainly doesn't look anywhere near as trustworthy as the Backyard Buddy locking system, which always locks securely into position. The multiple mounting holes in this cross member indicates this piece is mass-produced for a number of different lifts and not designed for a specific lift. Now, the form runway is similar to our first example, except for a piece of scrap metal welded lengthwise along the bottom. There's still no gusset to prevent it from bending back. Now, the hydraulic system has no vent valve, causing the seals to rub and wear with a very distinguishable sound. At some point, that seal could blow, and since there's no flow restrictor outside the boundaries of the power unit here, this lift could easily come crashing down in a free fall. Even accompanying hardware such as this cable guide is a very cheap plastic piece that certainly won't last over the long haul. And their flat steel wheel casters will only cause frustration. They jam up, they're difficult to move, and they will scratch your floor. Backyard Buddy uses these 8-inch diameter phenolic casters. They're load rated, they have a convex surface, they'll move smoothly and easily even with the weight of a vehicle on the lift. In the marketplace today, you may also see some mid-priced American-made copycat lifts that claim to have quality equal to that of Backyard Buddy, but at a reduced price. These are 4-post lifts where they've mimicked the structural tubing leg and outside slider design, but that's where the similarity ends. They use a thinner gauge steel, formed runways just like the imports, 1/4-inch locking linkage, no flow restrictor, and no grease fittings for those critical pulley axles. And once again, we have some of the contenders for the freestanding lift market that place holes in their foot pads for anchoring. Why is that? They also use a much less effective chemical wash before powder coating the steel. It doesn't prep the surface anywhere near effectively as Backyard Buddy's Shot Blast approach. Backyard Buddy strongly suggests that you examine your choices carefully. Use what we've shown you here today as a guide and compare the differences. Don't let some new kid in the block with a budget price and a claim of equal quality fool you. Remember, Backyard Buddy has been building their quality lift for over 25 years, and there are nothing but completely satisfied customers. Just ask anyone who's used it. Again, you get what you pay for. If you want something that will ensure your safety, will perform like new for years to come, Backyard Buddy is the only choice. Backyard Buddy's manufacturing segment is a member of the American Welding Society, and over the years, Backyard Buddy has received countless merits for quality and customer service. Believe me, Backyard Buddy's commitment is to you, the customer. With the Backyard Buddy, the combination of the highest quality North American steel, truly superior design, and the highest quality U.S. craftsmanship results in a lift with ultimate mechanical and structural integrity. Built right in Northeast Ohio for over 25 years, Backyard Buddy is proud to have been doing business in the American tradition. And that's why they're proud to introduce their American Series lift. It's the same sturdy, tough animal on the inside, but specially adorned on the outside with the stars and stripes of the good old US of A. Now's the right time to show your patriotism with the special edition Backyard Buddy American Series. And also note that additional color options are available, so check with your sales representative. Here's another neat product from Backyard Buddy. If you guys haven't seen this, you need to take a look. It's called Easy Access. For you guys that don't have the ceiling height, maybe in a garage for a lift, here's a great way to fly. Get your vehicle up off the ground, you got 27 inches of height, get on a creeper and work on it, and you have access to everything underneath the car. Nothing's in your way. It's rugged made, okay? And you get a place here that's open where you put your floor jack in, jack your car up, and you can use this on an just a chassis. You can use it on a body and chassis combination. It's a body dolly. It just makes all kinds of configurations. Fully adjustable, you pull the pins out, slide this up and down to any height. Okay, the pin supports it. These are removable, they swivel, they supply you with a rubber pad so you won't mar a chassis if it's already been painted, or the bottom of a unibody. You have all kinds of adapters, and the neat part is they have a bracket right on there, keeps your adapters with the unit. Now these things here again, they can be configured in all different heights and shape. When you pull the pins out, then these little units slide off, and again, you can use these on your A-frames, you can use them under the axle tubes. It's really an incredible way to fly. Front and rear, they have big rolling casters that roll real smoothly. They have locking brakes on each unit. You can put your car in here, move it all around the shop, push it in a corner. When you're ready to work on it, you pull it out. Again, you can slide underneath it. These things really work well. They're powder coated, made in America. A really nice product from Backyard Buddy. Well, now that we've compared the differences, I think the choice is clear. Backyard Buddy is the strongest, safest, and most durable lift on the market today. And having most of the assembly done right at the factory means you can have your Backyard Buddy up and running in no time. Now, this lift can be picked up here at the factory, shipped to a local terminal for self-pickup, or it can be delivered right to your door. The choice is yours. You know, I can't think of any reason to buy any other lift. Backyard Buddy is the #1 lift on the market, voted #1 in customer service and satisfaction, and it's the safest lift on the market today. And ordering your Backyard Buddy couldn't be easier. Your order can be accepted by telephone using Visa, MasterCard, Discover, or American Express. Well, that's it. I'm Sam Memmolo, and on behalf of the Backyard Buddy Corporation, thanks for watching. And I can't wait to get home and get under my Backyard Buddy lift and fix my cars.
Call 1-800-837-9353 and have your credit card ready. Backyard Buddy, the strongest, safest, and most durable automotive lift on the market. Don't delay. Call now and get the best that there is. The Backyard Buddy.